Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I'm going to be talking to you guys about massages. Now a couple of weeks back, I had asked y'all on Instagram as to which massager I should really buy because there were two which I was eyeing from a really long time. One I was eyeing for over a year and the second one was just recent. So everyone had their own inputs to it with their own pros and cons. And when I actually went to buy the massager online on Amazon, I saw that the prices were pretty much slashed out at a really good rate. So I thought, why not buy both of them? So I bought both of them. I have been using for quite a few days, and it's just not me, my family members too. So I have not recorded, like just written down their reviews, and I'm gonna give you the entire review in a nutshell. So let's directly get started. So this is the first massager. This is a car and home massage pillow. Okay, don't like the outside cardboard box is just for here for representation, and once this video is done, this box is definitely going to be thrown away in the trash. Now, how much did I buy this massager for? This massager retails originally for 2000 and something, 2200 or something, and when I bought it on sale, I bought it for 899, which I feel was a really good deal. So that, and how many days did it come in at my place? It took about 3 to 4 days and I got it. And obviously when it came, I sanitized it and did all of the things, and as soon as you get it out from the usual Amazon packaging, this is how you get it, obviously in a much better condition. Okay. And as soon as you open it, it was wrapped in a plastic bag, which is currently having some other use out of it. And from the plastic bag, this is how the massager looks like. It came with a manual which has all the information about the massager. Okay, and yeah, this is how the massager looks like. This is the front, this is the back, and on the back there is an elastic. The elastic is not of super duper great quality, to be really honest. It's of decent quality, but if you press it, not press it, pull it too much, then it will get loose. And here is a zipper. You can open it, and this is how it looks like from the inside, as you guys can see. And also, I read it that you can wash this cover too. But to be very honest, I am not very happy with the sort of stitching that it has. It's okay, it's not like super wow. Okay, now how do you use this massager? The process is very simple. Anybody and everybody can do it. It's not a complex process. On the back, you see this wire, and this is the charging wire. Okay, you just connect this to this, and then plug this in. Press the on button right here and it starts working. It is as simple as that. And if you want, you can just keep this connected all the time and just plug this in and switch it on, and it is going to work. It just depends from person to person, however you want to use this. Now, which body parts can you use this? If I had to really say, in short, you can use it on your entire body, but this works the best on your back, shoulders, neck, obviously. The second is, if you're a girl who's planning to use this, it works really great if you're in your periods and you're having period cramps and all of that. I will not say it gets rid of it completely, but it does reduce it to a very great level. If you're like having 100% of pain, it'll at least get it down to at least like 30 or 20%. You know, that's how great it works. Okay, it works very good on the back of your thigh as well. It works really nice. I personally liked it. Okay, and everybody else also liked it. Okay, it wasn't like super wow, but yeah, it's like you do get a relaxation sort of a feeling. Now, is this a very deep tissue massager, or it's like a gentle nice massager? To give it a better understanding, you know, when the lockdown gets lifted and when you go out for your office or just for general things, and you have a day and you just feel exhausted and you really want a nice relaxation massage, and if someone is not physically present around you, you can technically use this, and this is just going to do the job really great. And the first or second time I used it, I was having a lot of pain. I used it for 30 minutes straight and I went to sleep. That's how good and relaxing it was, specifically if you have had a tiring day or something like that. Now, is there something in the massager which I did not find or I did not you think that it was logical. Yes, there is, obviously. I will not say I did not like it, but I will say that I found it completely illogical. The first thing is that this is the massager, right? Okay, and you heard that, right? So I pressed the button so many times, but it did not get switched on. So in order to make this massager work, I have to physically plug this in somewhere, and only then it is going to work. Now in this room right here, I have two charging cables, points, whatever. One is right behind me and one is right opposite to me. And this one is a little higher. So just in case if I plug it in here, I have to stand and take the massage, okay? Which is like not so cool, to be honest. And the second one, which is right, that like that is like of decent length, so I can aram se sit, lounge, and then take the massage. So again, that is I'm just thinking on those points which I feel is completely logicless. The second thing which I completely found logicless is, as you guys can see over here, the first time I have pressed the on button, okay, a yellow light has popped up and it is moving in a clockwise direction. Now the second time I'm pressing it, the yellow light is still on and it is moving in an anti-clockwise direction. The third time I'm pressing it, it is still moving in an anti-clockwise direction and the light is getting switched off. Now the fourth time when I'm actually pressing it is when the massager is actually going off. This is so illogical for me. Now I'll tell you why do I feel this completely illogical. Because the first time I press it, a yellow light comes and it's moving in a clockwise direction. So I definitely want the massage in an anti-clockwise direction, but I do not actually have to press the button. Automatically after 15 minutes it starts going in an anti-clockwise direction. And if it is working in a if it's already in the anti-clockwise direction, it'll start working in a clockwise direction. So I did not understand that. This could have been as easy as switch on, take your massage for 30 minutes and switch it off. It should have been as simple as that. So this is like a little longer, lengthier process which I did not find logical at all, to be honest. So that is another thing which I did not like. Now for how long can you use this massager continuously and this and that? You can use this for 30 minutes, flat 30 minutes straight, and it will go off automatically and it will get very slightly heated up. Okay, and just in case you want you want to take the massage for a longer period of time, then if you just switch it on the next moment itself, it is going to work for another 10 to 15 minutes, but it's going to get heated up a little extra. And after the first 30 minutes, if you just keep it for 5 minutes, okay, and then you restart using this, it is going to work for another 30 minutes because it's just going to get cooled down and this and that. And you can use this massager on an everyday basis. There's no problem with that at all. Now if you're talking about if this is really heavy or this is light, this massager is not heavy. This is of decent weight, but it's not too heavy, it's not too light. You do feel something at least. So that way, so you can carry it while traveling and this and that also. Another thing which I would like to point out is that when you're using it specifically on your neck, shoulder and back, I will tell you that don't put too much pressure like this and use it. The only reason why I'm telling you this is because if you apply too much of pressure on this is going to break. So that way you don't want this to completely break and this and that. So that is one thing which I would like to tell you, because we do tend to put our body weight unintentionally, okay, and this might end up breaking. So this is one thing which I personally noticed when everybody was using it. So this is one thing I'd like to tell you. Now, is this worth the money or this and that? I will say whenever you buy a product, or like in any category, beauty or in just general category too, I will say along with the pricing, please also focus on the fact that how much use can you get out of this. Now for me, this is a really good blessing because I do have too many back issues. Like being very honest, I do have, and I use this on an everyday basis, and this is really good for me. But if you don't have too many back issues and this and that, then you can totally skip it. There is no compulsion that you have to buy it. If you want to use it occasionally and this and that, like just in case you do need occasional massages and every time you don't have someone around or you don't want trouble people around, you can use that for that also. Even today before making the video, I saw this had gone down to $7.99, so you can just look out for it. I will not say that you should buy it or you should not buy it. I will say if you want to buy it, understand how much use can you get out of it and then only buy it. Now you know everything about it, so this the decision of buying it or not buying it completely depends upon you. This was the review of the first massager. Now let's go to the second one. So this is the second massager. This is the Facical Gun Vibration Massage Device, Comfortable Massage Effect. Okay, now let me tell you a little backstory of this massager. I had seen this back in 2019, in like Jan 2019. I did not even know something like this exists, to be honest. And that time, I guess during that period of time, this was a big rage, and I really was so fascinated by it, and I really wanted to buy it. The only thing negative about this, and the reason why I waited for such a long time to buy it, is every and any time from whichever website, Indian or international, one thing that was common is this massager was priced over 30,000. If it was an international website I was checking out, it was somewhere about 40 to 50,000 के बीच में. And if it was an Indian website I was checking out and this and that, including everything, still it was coming between 25 to 35,000. So I can think of investing so much, but if I practically invest so much, I know that my family is going to kick me out of the house. So I have been hunting for this ever since, and finally I got this on Amazon. The MRP of this massager was 10,000 rupees. I got it for sale in 1,929 rupees, which is a big steal at what this massager is. Now, even before I get started with the review, I will say, if you actually feel that you should have a massager in your life, that you feel that ek to hona chahiye, this is it. This is what you should actually have. Okay, now that you know the original pricing with the pricing that I bought it for, so again, it came in the same Amazon packaging. I sanitized it, kept it sideways and all of that, and this is how the box looks like from outside. And as soon as you open the box, this is how the massager looks like. Now, I personally was so excited for this one, and here comes a manual, okay, which has all the information about the massager, what, how, everything. Okay, now this comes with a charger. Obviously, this is how the charger is. Wire is pretty nice, and the quality of the charger is also really good. One thing, one common complaint which I had seen from the people who had bought this is that they were all complaining that the charger is not of good quality or it is not working. Just in case you end up buying it, please ensure that the first thing that you do is see if the charger is working really properly. And when you plug it in for charging, there should be a red light which comes, and when the massager is completely charged, there is a green light that pops up. So just you will understand the charging is complete. So this is one thing. Now this is the gun. Okay, this is heavy. This is about 1.4 kilos. Okay, and when you're using this physically, one thing I would like to tell you, because I've used it, obviously everybody in my family loved this one, and not the previous one that much. They loved this one. Okay, when you're using this massager, ensure that you hold it. When you're holding it, your grip is good. Another thing is that you hold it here. If you hold it here, or if you hold something like this and do it, okay, in the beginning it's gonna work good, but in between, what's gonna happen, out of nowhere, you're just gonna get a small current in the hand you're using, and it is not gonna be a good situation. So this is one thing which I noticed. So that is one thing which I feel you should know. Now, there are 4 heads that come along with this. Let's talk about them one by one. This is the first head. This is a nice round shaped head which you can use it again back, shoulders. No, you can't use it on your back. You can use it on your shoulders and neck. This works the best over there. You can even work it out on your thighs and all of that. This works the best over there. Hands and all के लिए this is not that great, but this is really good for your shoulders and neck and for your thighs. I personally liked it. And this is not like a super deep massager, but this just goes pretty fast and it gives you a relaxing feeling. Okay, and this is a second massager. It has a flat second head of the massager, sorry, and it has a flat head, and again this you can use it like in this part of your body. This works really great there. Plus you can also use it on your other body parts, but don't use it on your hands. This works really great on your calf. If you have calf pain and all of that. It's gonna work really great over there. Okay, this is the third head. This is more like a pin, if I had to say. This works the best if you have a specific muscle pull, or the specific one nerve which is like irritating you, or that one point. It goes deep. It does the job really good. Another thing that this works so good on your palm, like when you're physically using it, and this works very good on your legs too, like here. This works really great in this part. It works very nice, and you get such a good relaxation feeling. Like when you use it physically only, then will you know what I'm talking about. And the last head is this fork shaped head. Okay, fork without the middle to whatever. This works the best on your entire spine. Okay, some people say that you should not use it on your spine, and some say that you should use it on your spine. I have used it in the spinal area. This works really great. Another thing is that this works really great on your hands over here specifically, like over here too. It works really great. Now, is this difficult to use? No, not at all. Let me show you. It is very easy. I will use my favorite head. Like here, you just put this in and twist a little bit. The twisting is not compulsory, but just do it, just to be a little extra safe. And then there is a button right here behind, you guys can see, and just switch it on. And hear this. The voice of this is not super duper loud, so people around you, like if you're using this somewhere, people around you won't really get very irritated or annoyed by it. And this also has 6 settings to it. If you press this, 1 2 3 4 5 6, and then now obviously, just like the previous one, the better thing about this massager is that when you go on setting 1, you don't have to go to setting 2 3 4 5 6 and then it will stop. You can just long press it and it stops. It's done. And like, it's very easy, and when you use it, I am not even kidding, you are going to get such a good feeling. Like if I use this, I am definitely going to go to sleep in like 10 to 15 minutes. This is very good. Also, can you use this massager on an everyday basis? I will say again, it depends on the intensity of your pain and all of that. Now, if you're going to ask me that can you use this massager on an everyday basis, I'm going to say that yes, you can. And again, another thing is that it depends on the intensity of your pain. If you have too much of pain and this and that, then obviously you can use it. But if you don't have that much, you want a relaxation time and this and that, then you can, depends. It just, everything is the situational dependence. Okay. Also, if you're someone who does heavy weightlifting, like you really lift 50 kilos on each hand, or you do very hip thrusts and all of that in the gym, this is going to be a blessing in disguise. This is so good for someone who does heavy weightlifting and this and that, for loosening up your muscles, for just reducing the pain or getting rid of the pain. To be very honest, this is gonna work really nice for you. I can be very sure for that. And for the price that it is, which is 1900 rupees, this is a complete steal, to be very honest. Is there something which I did not like about the massager? It's not something which I did not like. Okay, this is just something which this won't be negative, but this is just something which I feel is that you can obviously take the massage by yourself. There is no doubt. Like, see, I can easily take it. There is no problem in that. But the negative part, not negative, why am I saying negative? Negative is a very strong word. The thing is that you need physically someone to do it for you. Like, you can do it on your hands, you can do it on your thighs, but if you want to do it on your shoulder and neck, you can still do it. But if you want to do behind, it's going to be a task. And plus, because this has a weight, because of gravity, there is a possibility that the grip might just get out of hand and this might fall. So you do need someone to do it. And when you physically use it versus when someone uses it on you, it makes a big difference. This is honestly a must buy, must have massager for yourself. This does have weight, but you can travel with it, I mean, just in case you want to. Overall, this is my review of this massager. Both the massagers are really good in their own ways. There is specifically nothing negative about this which I personally felt. Now this is the entire review of both my massagers. I gave you all the honest reviews and opinions about it. I just gave you all how I feel about it. Now whether to buy it or not to buy it is completely on you. Just in case you're interested in checking them out or actually buying it, I will leave a link in the description box down below. Don't worry about that. And if you made it till the end and you heard so much from me, thank you so much for making it till the end. It really means a lot to me. If you have any sort of video suggestions / requests, please leave them in the comment section down below, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.